Hello world! Today is a blessed day. Babalik na si Mikoy dito sa Macau. After a month nila sa Pilipinas, susunduin na namin sila ngayon sa airport. Thank you Lord for the good weather and we're so excited to see Mikoy na. Hi Tito James, hi Daddy, hi Tito Ninong, antok yarn? Ayan, nag-LRT kami bilang mga Baranese, mas convenient to for us. Kaya let's go! Hi there little bird! Trivia time! This LRT is the first rapid system in Macau. It runs on electricity with zero emission and it is fully automated. Yes, wala pong driver ang LRT dito. It was put into operation in 2019 at noong 2023 it was extended to the Bara station. A total of 12 stations, parang EDSA sa atin to Abad Santos Station kung LRT ng Pilipinas. And ayan, nandito na kami sa Macau International Airport. Isa sa mga perks ng bansang to ay ang convenience ng lahat ng bagay. Tignan nyo, directly connected ang airport nila sa public transport na sinakyan namin. Merienda muna! Landed na daw sila Mikoy, ayan na!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Saan ka? Ay, nag-dark? Aww! May picture na tayo naman.
Super, thank you Lord sa travel protection nila. At syempre, happy mommy and daddy na naman now that our baby is here. No more LDR for now. Picture.
Ay, buhay oh! Wag na, baby.
Welcome back, Mikoy, sabi ng snail. Ayan, lalabas muna kami ulit to eat dinner. And celebration na rin ng Mother's Day. Kahit late, at least now we're together. Let's eat po! Ayan na, gabi na. It was indeed a happy day. Thank you Lord ulit na buo ulit ang family namin ngayon. Good night. Good night, Mikoy.